In this video, I'll show you how to create a sorting question. So first we put in a name, then we type in the text of our question. So in this case, I'm going to ask the user to sort fractions from smallest to largest. So the sorting question presents the user with a list of items in a random order that they have to put into a fixed order that the author of the question defines as correct. So usually it's, like you see here, sorting items from smallest to biggest, biggest to smallest, maybe from oldest to newest, like some type of chronological order, or whatever the user decides. So what I'll do is I'll insert a response area, and I'll choose on the left-hand side, sorting. And you define a weighting. I'll keep mine of 1, but then I put below it these sortable items, and I have to put this in order. So from top to bottom is the order that I deem as correct, which the user will then put in left to right. So in my case, there are 3 options here by default. You can delete them to only have 2 items, or click Add Item to put 4 or 5 or 6 or whatever you want. And now in each sortable item window, there is a text editor where you can insert math or font options like bolding and underline. You can insert images, whatever you'd like here. It is, as you can see here, if I type in some text, HTML. So in my case, I'm going to insert some fractions using the equation editor. The first one I'll put is 1/4, and then I'll put the rest. So now I've typed in all my responses. You can see here, there's 6 of them. If I notice I made a mistake with them and I want to move it, I can actually click on the icon here and drag it somewhere else in the order. Now below that is where you define the width and height of these sortable items. Now the default values you see here is the original width of the item or height, but I'll put for these fractions 50 pixels by 50 pixels. I can also change the background color if I'd like here as well. So now that we're done, let's save it and see a preview. So here are the items, 50 by 50 height and width, and I can drag them to put them into a specific order. You can see here, you do get partial credit for getting some correct and some incorrect. And that's how you create a sorting question.